Hi, I'm Lela Kelly from Dosatron International and Dilution Solutions, and today I would like to go over the little buddy cart. It's our smaller option because it only has a 5-gallon stock tank versus our Dosa cart, which comes with a 15-gallon stock tank. This option is great especially for ladies who are moving it around in garden centers or in greenhouse operations because it's much lighter. It's extremely durable. There's a spot where you can actually wrap your garden hose to take this from location to location. The all plastic construction means it's not going to rust. Comes with big tires so that it'll go over different types of terrain. And the cart itself comes with the 5-gallon bucket. The next option would be the optional hookup kit, which is plumbing, 200 mesh filter, check valve, and the rest of the plumbing. And you may already have a Dosatron, in which case you could put on either an 11-gallon Dosatron or a 14-gallon Dosatron, or you could purchase one to put on a cart and use it separately. Today, I want to also point out that you've got an option to do an on-off bypass switch. Right now it's on. But let's say you just want to go to clear water and stop injecting fertilizer or fungicides. You just switch it to the off position, and the motor stops, clear water goes through. Right now, I'm going to put it to the on position because we're going to start to use our dram faucet nozzle, which is 1/2 gallon a minute, because we just want to put a little fertilizer on our seedlings. And you can see it works beautifully to apply some fertilizer or fungicides to any small seedlings where you don't want a large water flow. This is Lela Kelly. Thanks so much for listening.